Hi, I'm Matthew Buzzy from PCMag.com, here with the DOS Keyboard 4C mechanical keyboard. This is a 10-keyless keyboard for a more streamlined build, and it offers Cherry MX Brown switches and a high-quality build for $140. So the 4C is a 10-keyless keyboard, which, as you can see, means there's no number pad. A lot of people like this for a more compact look, and when they don't have space for a number pad or they don't use one, it's a way to save space on your desk and only give you what you need. This keyboard also features PBT keycaps for greater durability, a high-quality aluminum top panel finish, and USB pass-through for charging your phone or whatever other peripheral you're working with. In addition, one sort of weird fun feature is this bottom footrest is actually a removable ruler. It magnetically attaches, and DOS Keyboard, I think, just thought it was a fun way to change up the keyboard and actually give you some utility. I did use this several times since I started testing this to measure things, so it's clearly pretty useful. Easy to put back in place. As far as the keys go, they feature N-key rollover and, as I said, use Cherry MX Brown switches. This is a nice, comfortable typing experience while also useful for gaming. You can get a sense for what that sounds like here. So in some ways with this keyboard, simplicity is king, but there are a number of high-end features to make the price worthwhile. Check out the full review on PCMag.com.